Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create headings in Microsoft Word document. So to create headings, simple and easy way. Firstly, I will create some dummy text. Now here I will show you how to create headings. So here guys, you have to type your heading text. Now select it, and here the option in this home tab, heading. There are some different type of headings like 1, 2, and there are another heading like 3, 4. So select heading, and once you select heading, you can customize color, size and design as normal. Similarly, this is the heading 1, and you can type heading 2, select your text, and here select heading 2, change the size, and for heading 3 make a space and type here heading 3, select it. Make sure you need to select to create headings. So once you select heading 2, so now you will see heading 3, and similarly for heading 4 type here heading number 4, select it and select F4. So this is the way guys you can create headings in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching.